Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Wajahat from Herald City School and I am going to teach you the book GABA Computer Today for class 4. Unit number 4, Output Devices. And in this video I am going to teach you about these topics. Printer. Printer is an output device that prints information on paper. Printed copy of the output is called hard copy. According to printing technique, printers are grouped as follows: character printer, line printer and page printer. Character printer. Character printer prints one character at a time. For example, dot matrix printer. Each character is printed as a collection of dots. Text and graphics can be printed with this printer but with low quality. Line printer. Line printer prints one line at a time. Line printer is faster than character printer. For example, drum printer and chain printer. Page printer. Page printer prints whole page at a time. It stores each page in memory before printing. For example, inkjet printer and laser printer. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer uses very small ink drops to print. Print quality is better than that of a dot matrix printer. These printers need ink cartridges that have to be refilled. Laser printer. Laser printer uses laser beam to print. It produces high quality print but it is costly. It prints one page at a time and uses toner ink.